Hi children, welcome to our physics class. First lesson, reflection of light at curved surfaces for session 2. In this session, now we are going to discuss about the rules to be followed to draw ray diagrams for mirrors, my dear children. There are three rules here to discuss. The rule 1 is a ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus after reflection, my dear students. Once again, listen to me, my dear children. The ray which is parallel to principal axis, it passes through focus after reflection. Carefully you observe, my dear children. In this diagram, you observe, my dear children, ray R1 comes from candle. This R1 is parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. Dear children, you draw this diagram in your notebook. Once again, you observe it. The ray R1, which comes from the candle, after incident on the concave mirror, it reflected and passing through focus. Now, rule number 2. The ray passes through the focus, travel parallel to principal axis after reflection. My dear children, observe once again. The ray which passes through the focus travel parallel to principal axis after reflection. If you listen very carefully, you can observe the difference between rule number 1 and rule number 2. This rule is converse to rule 1. In the rule 1, the ray which is passes through parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through focus. But here, the ray which passes through focus after reflection, it travels parallel to the principal axis. That's why these two rules are converse to each other. You draw it, my dear children. Rule number 3. The ray passes through center of curvature, that is C, travel through C after reflection also. My dear children, you observe here, the ray which passes through the center of curvature C travel through C after reflection also. Here, the ray which comes from candle passes through C after reflection also, it passes through C. Dear children, you observe here, from the candle, the ray R3 passes through center of curvature C. It reflects after incident on the concave mirror. Again, it travels in the same direction through C. Dear children, you draw this rule number 3 also. These three rules are very much important to draw ray diagrams for mirrors. So, all you must practice them. Thank you.